Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Partnership. So today I will show you how to use the VS Code. Yeah. So actually I have created one more video a few months back related to this. It was slight different, means most of the things will be same, but the important thing I want to show you because I was working on it, so I learned new things. So I thought it may be helpful for somebody, right? So in last Python video, I will share the link in the description box. It was these three steps, means these three slide I have done on that, right? Means uh, I have created Conda environment, install the Visual Studio, and it's very simple. And then we created a folder, and then we have activated our Conda. We have created Conda environment and deactivated that, and then activated how to do and install these Python libraries, right? Then we have this one is like we have created this. This is the summary. So means we have created a virtual environment, and then we have installed uh, Python libraries, and then we have checked whether it is working or not. Then we have done a sample exercise, right? So today we will start from that only. So I install the VS Code. I have already done that. So VS Code, we will just run it again. So create a folder in your local drive. Then I have a folder. What I will do is I will go to, we can do from here also and go to file, open folder. So what I have is this folder, and then I will create a folder here, new, let's say, right? And I will select this folder. So after creating this, what I will do is I have a sample data set just for learning. So I will copy this one, Control C, and put inside this folder. So now you can see here. So we can see this sample data here. So since I have already installed VS Code, so one we can do directly also. You have see my, I think you should see my earlier video. But here what I want to do is I want to create a virtual environment. So that also we have done earlier. But let's see how to do it again. Alright. So what I will do is I will go to view and go to terminal. You just click here and I will just select this one, command prompt, right? So you can see here, first thing is that whether Python is installed or not. This we have to check. So it means I have installed it. If it is not installed, then what you have to do is then you have to go to this side Python and you have to install it, and don't forget to check this one, add file.exe to path while you start the uh, installation, because if it is not installed then it will give this kind of error, right? So after doing that, yeah, you can do this also but not required. So so now what I will do is I will create a Python environment. You just copy this one. I'm just copying this, so I will just paste here. You can put any other name here, MyENB, GeoENB, 1ENB, 2ENB, whatever, right? So you can change this one. So then what I will do is I will just activate it. I will just, sorry, I will just activate it. Now it's activated. Now you can see my virtual environment name. So what next is that, so what I will do is, okay, I will then pip install pandas. I will just install the pandas. This is very simple, simpler one. You can do it later also. So after installation of that, what I will do is parallelly I will create one file here, Python file I will call test.py, right? So in which we will write our code. So now since this is done, now you can see done means how to know, because it's a no error. Now we can see my virtual environment and my link of my folder, right? So I have already created one codes. I will just copy paste here. You can see, right? So maybe what I will do is yes. So control S. So after doing this, what I will do? So can we do this? Run. So it will give you the error. So that's why this I wanted to show you. So what will happen is you can see here are, because we are running our program in command form. So we can delete this one, we can delete this one, because right now we are mainly focus is there. So how we will do is that we will write here Python test.py, then run it. The same thing we have done in my earlier video. So now we can see here we have this the file I have showed you earlier. So this is my data. This data can be anything based on your requirement or whatever data you have, you can show that. And then you can see the data set info, right? So what are the column here? Name, income, age, right? And then you can see the data statistics. You can plot also, see my previous code. I don't want to go there, but you know what will happen is anytime you have to, whenever you do something here, then you have to test it. Suppose I will just commented on it, right? So then you can see here, then there will be one dot will come. So it means you have to save it or update this. Once you save, then it will run. Then again you have to, what will you have to do is Python here. One, if you want to run it again, then what you have to do is Python test.py, right? Things it's run. But what I'm trying to say is that you have to write this every time. So how to avoid that? Suppose I will just now uncommented it, and now I will save it, and then how to run? Then I have to again write here. Means of course you can somewhere you can copy and then you can paste, but Python test.py. So is there any way to do that where you don't have to, because anytime sometime typing mistake can happen. So then what we have to do is control S to save it, right? Since we have updated, so you can see control shift and P, control shift P, you have to press, and then you can Python select interpreter. So what is your interpreter is, then you can select this one or select this one, right? So suppose, let's say if you select this one, then run it. So now it's run. So every time, because if you have selected that, then you can just run the file. It will run now. Then you no need to type the code, because what we have done is, only thing is that what control shift control P means we have to selected that what we are going to run, because this is our conda, means it's our virtual environment. So we have to give the path to him basically. Then if you select this, then it will run every time. Whenever you write a code here, then you can run that, right? So I think you can try that with your code. So this is what I wanted to show you, that how to deal with because in my previous video I did not tell you that, because that time I didn't know. So now I know how to do it. So this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you guys. Thank you.